Pop anthology.
I say I'm too late. Got nothing in my brain. That's what people say. That's what people say.
It might seem crazy what I'm about to say. You're like a drug that's killing me. I cut you out entirely. But I get so high when I'm inside you. Clap along if you feel like going without a roof. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want. He's so crazy. You don't think I know what you've done. These girls, they love you. Call me baby. I know I'm not the only one. You talk dirty to me. Turn down for what?
I can read your body language.
What are you gonna do?
This is how we do.
So what are you gonna do?
This is how we do.
You know the words in my songs. No habla English.
Girl, said you hallelujah. Girl, said you hallelujah.
Our conversations ain't long, but you know what is.
Girl, said you hallelujah. 'Cause Uptown Funk don't give it to you. 'Cause Uptown Funk don't give it to you. 'Cause Uptown Funk don't give it to you. Saturday night and we in the spot. Don't believe me, just watch. Don't believe me, just watch. I'm so confused. To me, love's all you. She came to give it to you. Hey, what you do? But if you know what you want, she'll be alright.
Perfect.
I got you in my space. I won't let go again.
Danthology.
Second, minute, hour, bigger, better, stronger, power. Throw it up, or should I fall out? Throw it up, that's how we fall out.
Oh, you're gonna stay the night. I need to be free with you tonight.
Tonight is the night.
If I lose myself tonight, it'll be better. Far away, too far away, but we can get back yesterday. But we young right now, we got right now. So get up right now. So we got is right now.
You've been high when you're feeling low.
The piece of me.
Only hate the road when you're missing home.
I didn't
Only know you love her when you let her go.
relentlessly, still fighting. I don't know why. If all love is tragedy, why are you my remedy? If all love's insanity, why are you my clarity?
And do the Harlem Shake.
Pump the volume, you feel the bass. Turn me on and let me do my thing. We in the house and we here to stay.